Welcome to this session of guided relaxation. Our intent is to release all stress and tension from the mind and body. We will do some creative visualizing to help us relax, bring in calm and peace. Settle down in a quiet space. You may sit or lay down and make yourself comfortable. Please remember to put your phone away. This will help you focus on the flow of the session and benefit completely through this relaxation technique. Now, close your eyes gently and take a few moments to just be. Feel yourself slip into a sense of calm and rest. You will listen to my voice and let your mind flow into the session over the next few minutes. Just follow what I say and stay with me in this peaceful journey. So let me help you relax. Release all the stress and be at peace in your mind and body. Gently, slowly release all thoughts that come to your mind. Just be grateful of your time in this session with me. Your mind, your body, your breathing, everything feels light. Just stay with this feeling. Breathe easy. Relax. Let your breath flow easy, soft and natural. Now, take your mind to your navel. Notice how your belly moves with your breathing. We will focus on the navel while we are breathing. When you inhale, you will feel your navel pulled inwards, and during exhaling, the belly is relaxed. continue to breathe in your natural rhythm, soft and gentle breaths. Feel your mind and body come together in harmony. Feel free, feel good about just being at ease. Feel the peace. Now focus on your breath. Breathe in through your nose. Hold your breath and breathe out through your nose. Relax. Let us repeat this with slightly deeper breathing. So, inhale, hold your breath, gently release your breath. Relax. Again, inhale, hold your breath and release. One more time. Inhale, hold and release. You are now feeling so light, so relaxed, so easy. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and continue this rhythm in your own way. Soft, gentle, free and easy. Now, imagine you are suspended in space, just floating. The sky is dark, calm, and peaceful. There is just you in space and the stars. Feel the sensations in your body as we travel to a place where you can slow down your breath, your mind, and feel your body being rested. Far away from the humdrum of earth, far away from all sounds, far away from everyone. There is just you and space, just you in space, just you with yourself. It is so quiet. It is so peaceful. There are only little stars all around you. You are floating in space. The starlight is soft. The stars are twinkling. And the light is cool. You feel at peace and relaxed. Your mind is calm. Your body is free. And you feel light. You feel a sense of total release and relaxation. Slowly bring your mind back to sync with your body. You are aware of your body. You are now feeling restored, balanced, and healed in your mind, body, and spirit. Thank you for being with me. I hope you have experienced a sense of calm and quiet. Now gently open your eyes. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Just feel the peace within yourself. Thank you.